Hi, today I want to tell you about LapWorks' latest sitting height floor stand. This is called the iPad and tablet stem. We call it that because you'll notice we've got a sunflower on the front. The sunflower has a stem shape that's similar to the stem tablet stand. Whereas the sunflower can angle toward the sun, our stem can angle toward you for best viewing and best usage. Now let me show you, this is a 12.9 iPad Pro in here. It's easy to remove. So let me show you with the 9.7 iPad. This is the Apple's latest model. And you want to position this, you'll notice there's a button on one side. You want the corner grip to grab on the side that doesn't have a button. You just pull a little lever at the back here, and then you push that in until it's snug. Once it's in there, it's now safe and secure. You can rotate to portrait and landscape as you wish. You can angle up and down. The other adjustment on this is a height adjustment. I recommend that you put a foot on the stand as you're making adjustments. So you can be this low, which is much lower than sitting height. Might be handy for if you're laying down. And if you're laying down, you can rotate this whole thing over and angle it downward as well. So that's a pretty handy feature. And you can raise it up quite high, high enough. And there's a little mark that tells you not to raise too high. So just note the mark and don't raise it too far. But once you get in position, it's very convenient for use. Touching the screen. Oh, if you happen to have an Apple Pencil, a real handy tip. This is made of steel. That's how mine so started. If you get a magnet, neodymium magnet is quite strong. You can actually hold your Apple Pencil in easy reach when you're not using it. You just store it back there, and it'll stay there for you. Now let me show you also that you can use this with several other devices. Test this out. The iPad Mini. First adjust it to closer to the mini size, which is quite small. Avoid the power button. Drop it down and secure it. Now you've got your mini in there for easy, viewing hands-free. Watching Netflix, browsing the internet. It's really great. A lovely device. Another kind of useful use or handy tip. If you are interested in standing desk, lower it down, and then you can actually lift the whole thing. This weighs less than 2 pounds, and set it on top of your standard size desk. Now you're at standing height. So, and you've got that range of adjustment that puts it at whatever height you prefer. I'm a bit taller, so I set mine a bit taller. And you get to split the difference. If it's closer to your face, it's further from your hands. So whatever suits you. Maybe you want it a little higher, a little lower. Whatever works for you. But the stem is so light and portable, it makes it easy to make that adjustment. Okay, and one final point I wanted to make is that this works not only with tablets such as the iPads, the Windows tablets, Android tablets. It also works with laptops, as long as they have the tablet mode option. They call them 2-in-1s or convertibles. This is a Samsung Chromebook Pro. The width or thickness is less than ½ inch. That's the maximum thickness that the stem can grip. So when you have that, you see your keyboard folds over onto the back, but you can hold even larger, heavier items such as 2-in-1s. As long as thickness is less than ½ inch and width is, this will work with up to about a 13-inch screen. You may be, since bezel size varies, it could be different for yours, but it fits a variety of tablets and laptops. When you're putting a heavier device, it's important to position the laptop over one of the legs. So you can have it over this part, and it'll hold it, it's fine. But it's more stable to position the weight over top of an actual leg. And it doesn't affect usage at all. You can see I can still use my laptop just fine. So that's the stem tablet stand from LapWorks. When you get your new LapWorks STEM tablet and iPad stand, it comes like this, folded, and you'll notice that you have three parts. This is the tablet holder. This is the ball joint that the tablet holder is connected to, and this is the actual stand. So the stand, simply fold out the legs, set it down on the floor, then turn the thumb screw to raise the vertical pole. Don't raise it too far. You'll notice there'll be a little warning label on there if you raise it too far. Then you'll attach this ball joint. You might have to loosen this until it will slip over the end. And once you have that, you hold that in place and then slide in the ball. Then tighten the whole thing up. Let's spin it around this way so you can see that. Tighten that up. And once you get it in place, you can lock it down where this ball won't move, or you can loosen it a little bit so that you've got some free movement. And depending on the weight of your tablet, you might need to adjust that, but you have a little bit of a freedom to turn and move it, depending on the tension that you put in there. Once you get this in place, you can pull on this lever to open the ratcheting mechanism, and that's what holds your tablet in place. Just pull and push, and your tablet can get locked in safely.